What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Polymath, which has pumped up in value quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it too late to invest into it, and also can it hit the 50 cents target and the dollar mark in 2022, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So let me just draw up this Fibonacci scale to use later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and we're going to go back into the Coinbase website. As you can see, guys, the market is up, let's have a look, just about 1%, and obviously Polymath is the top gainer. We can see here in the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 16% up in just a single hour, which is absolutely crazy, guys. And over the last 24 hours, which is the last day, it has gained up 17%. Over the week 14%, and over the month is an overall 33%. It's been quite volatile, up and down, but we can clearly see that overall it has been moving towards a positive direction, which is exactly what we want to see. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,100% up in the last 24 hours. I'm pretty sure most of the pump did come from early this morning, where it just pumped up out of nowhere. In the last 2 to 3 hours, as you can see, going from 25 cents, 24 cents, all the way up to, let's have a look here, nearly hitting 30 cents, so 28 cents right now. So we can also see here that the trading volume at the moment is, let's have a look on the CoinMarketCap website, nearly $83 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Polymath. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it. 71% buy against 29% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I explained earlier. I'll be using this later on to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Polymath at 25 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value at 29 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking very steep, going in a positive direction, looking very bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what is meant to happen. However, that is not what my predictions are. I'm not expecting it to keep pumping up in value. I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, I am expecting an overall drop in value on Polymath, potentially dropping below the 26 cents target is what my predictions are. And again, this doesn't mean it's going to be a major drop out of nowhere. We are going to see pumps. We are going to see it go above 32, 34 cents as well over the next 3, 4, 5 hours. But it is likely to slowly and steadily drop back down later on today, and then drop below the 26 cents target. Because, guys, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction here at the bottom is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 2-3 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I am expecting it to drop back down in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, exact same, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive. Once again, the exact same reason applies here. But I am expecting an overall drop in value on Polymath once again over the coming days. So towards the end of next week, end of this week, we should be trading around 24 to 25 cents is what my predictions are. However, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down. Overall, it is going to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome is what matters at this point, and it seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall minimal drop in value over the coming days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? As you can see, we do not have any more steep lines. We do have the orange line looking slightly bearish, just about slanting towards the negative direction, and the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Well, in fact, we do have the orange line which has just changed now into a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected over the long run. So let's say late November, early December, we should expect an overall increase in value on Polymath. Again, it's not going to be a major increase or a major pump or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, so do expect an overall minimal gain in value on Polymath over the coming weeks, potentially heading to about 33-34 cents is what my predictions are so far. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs with any major crashes or major bull runs or anything like that, which could have a potential impact not just on Polymath but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis to see where this is heading to. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, but earlier today or in the last hour or two, we did manage to nearly hit the green zone here, the resistance target, which is 34 cents, which we went very close to it, and it did resist and drop back down in value. I am expecting us to hit this again over the next 24 to 48 hours, or even later on today. We are going to hit this resistance target and potentially head into the green zone before we resist and then drop back down into the red zone. But again, just like what's happened before, it's been very volatile. We did hit 47 cents about a month or two ago, and then it straight away dropped back down. A similar situation is likely to occur around the next couple of hours, but again, not going as much as 47 cents, but going around the 35 cents target is what I'm predicting, and then dropping back down into the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Polymath, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and your predictions are on Polymath. What is the highest or lowest figure you guys predict this crypto to hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.